Good morning, students, and welcome again to geography class. In the last class, we had discussed the various mountain passes, the land route, and the oceanic route and its role. How it played a crucial role. How India, with these routes, established a very good and strong relationship with the countries of the world. One more route which was very important, it was the Silk Route. So this Silk Route, it was a network of trade routes which connected the east and the west, countries of east and the countries of west, and was central to the economic, the cultural, political and religious interactions between these regions from the 2nd century BC to the 18th century. This route primarily refers to land routes connecting East Asia and Southeast Asia with South Asia, Persia, Iran, Arabian Peninsula, East Africa and Southern Europe. Okay, so Silk Road trade played a significant role in the development of civilization of China, Korea, Japan, the Indian subcontinent, Europe, etc., opening long distance political and economic relation between the civilization. Though silk was the major trade item exported from China, many other goods and ideas were exchanged, including religion, science, technologies like paper, etc. Camels were major means of transporting silk, and in olden days these traders were called saudagar. Okay. So this red color you can see, this is the famous Silk Route which passed from several countries of east and west till Europe. Okay. Now we know that China produced large quantities of silk during ancient time, and these exported silk to western countries through this route. This route is known as Silk Route. Okay. So these traders were called saudagars. Sometimes they die due to heat or thirst. Okay. And now there is a new improvement also. Now this Silk Route or route, now it is replaced by motorable roads, okay, new means of communication, mobile, telephones, railway lines, etc. Last time we discussed about a very important sea route, Suez Canal. Okay, the benefit of Suez Canal. Today we discuss the benefit of Suez Canal. Now we know it was opened on 17th of November 1869. But the construction began on 25th of September 1859, and the length we know it is 193.3 kilometer, and its starts point is Port Said and end point is Port Tevik in Suez. Okay. Now let us see the benefits of opening of Suez Canal to India and the Indian subcontinent. So Suez Canal, it was opened in 1869, and therefore it reduced the distance between India and Europe by 7,000 kilometers. Earlier, the sea route from Europe to India was via Cape of Good Hope. This was taught in the previous class, Cape of Good Hope. The southern tip of Africa is Cape of Good Hope, which is the southern tip of Africa. So therefore it was a very, very long route for them. It was time taking also, money taking, time taking, fuel taking, okay, and also it was a dangerous route as well. Okay, therefore the Suez Canal has reduced this distance between India and Europe, and we can then say yes, opening of Suez Canal certainly has benefited not only India, but the countries of Indian subcontinent. So this is the image of Suez Canal. This is Red Sea, this is Mediterranean Sea, and this Mediterranean Sea, and this is the Suez Canal, the man-made canal you can see in a line.